Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video going to be about this look. I'm going to show you guys how I created it. If it's your first time visiting my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to receive notification when I upload a new video. I'm gonna start with my brows using HANDAIYAN eyebrow gel in color deep brown, and I'm just drawing my brows. Next, I'm cleaning my brows with Maybelline concealer in color caramel number 40. I love this concealer so much. It's not thick or hard to blend. It's very light and creamy. So now I'm going to color correct in my eyelid with JUVIA'S concealer in number 15. We are getting ready for some eyeshadows. Take your time to blend that concealer in. That part is very important. If your concealer is not blended well, your eyeshadow won't look as smooth as it's supposed to. So don't rush. I am using my MISKOS eyeshadow palette and I'm going in with this orange color. Remember not to drag the brush when applying the eyeshadow. Just tap the product in and walk your way up in tapping motion. Next, I'm taking my JUVIA'S SAHARAN 2 eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this brown color right here to define my crease. I'm taking my Huda eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with this pale yellow color. I'm placing it right around the edges, blend it towards my brow bone so everything can look nice and soft. I'm cutting my crease with JUVIA'S concealer I used earlier. I'm not a professional on cutting creases, so take your time till you are satisfied with the size you want. Sometimes I cut one eye higher than the other. Now I'm going back to the palette and use all full colors to blend the edge cut. Now I'm taking this shimmer gold. When using shimmer eyeshadow, make sure you wet your brush. I'm using my Palladio liquid eyeliner and draw my wing liner. I did the other eye off camera. Now I'm using JUVIA'S Base Foundation in color BURKINA number 310. I'm highlighting underneath my eyes with JUVIA'S Base Concealer number 15 and use another JUVIA'S Base Concealer number 12 to blend the light concealer to make the look more realistic. Now I'm setting my concealer with JUVIA'S Base Setting Powder in Kalahari. Moving on to contour, I'm contouring with JUVIA'S Base Foundation Stick in color Congo. And take this purple color and use it under my eyes. Go over with a white eyeliner pencil. I'm using this NYX Suede Cream Lipstick to line my lips and use the JUVIA'S Play Soul lipstick over. To set my whole face, I'm using Black Radiance Setting Spray and And this is the look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.